Where are the others? Wow, they're really effective, yeah. But I did kill the Overlord. I had less than 21,000 XP.
Hey, be more careful.
You'll be more careful.
Good to see you.
So, and these are old. Did pay off that technique here. So this one is the new one. How did this thing gets money? I can take this and use it for repairs. I don't know. It's not. I didn't fix it. It should have the same weight as mine, right? It is destroyed, but it shouldn't weight 4 times less. Okay, so killed this guy. Someone knocked him down. Well, and yeah, that's the source of those plasma explosions. This big fucking gun. Plasma BFG. And a lot of microfusion cells. So I can demonstrate that weapon right away. That's one of the weapons which can kill bros. Because it works as a missile launcher or Fatman. It ignores the armor thickness, it just takes into account the damage DR ratio. And it has optics. Well, yeah, forgot about it. So I can test it just for fun. You can see it's quite effective. I don't know, maybe I'm got or get killed because they have really nice weapons. Okay, this one is down. Malcolm is charging. Come on, Leroy. Damn it. Get up! Come on, get up. Lazy ass. So, as you can see, I'm blocking a lot of... Damn it. So yeah, that was a pulse weapon that can penetrate through my armor. No! Oh, that wasn't me. But anyway, this is killing everything it catches. And it can also kill me. So, okay. He's dead. Yeah, as you can see, one shot kill for power armor guy. But still, Fatman is much more powerful. Damn it. That was sneaky. Oh, I killed that one. And now I ran out of ammo. So... Anyway, this one is not worth it. So... well, I'm quite able to fight bros. What a difference. Okay, maybe I can even kill this one. Okay, that's a minigun. Oh yeah! He got killed actually. I penetrate through his armor. HP damage by 300. As you can see, if you manage to penetrate through their armor, you'll manage to kill them. Just as simple as that. Okay, let's see if I can kill all of them. There is one guy I can't kill. And that's... What's that? Whoa. What was that? Oh my god, yeah, he hit me with the Thor hammer. It's funny how I survived. It's the most powerful pulse weapon. They don't have a lot of damage, but they have a lot of penetration. Okay, anyway, I can use Stimpaks, why not? And probably he hit me in the leg. Can't evade grenades when I'm and I have agility negative. Okay, that was all just a test. I didn't mean to kill these guys. My future allies. My future employers. What is that?
What's the big idea?
What's wrong? What the f...
Yeah.
They're all such jerks. What's my strength anyway? 10. Not bad. So my sway has decreased a lot. And that's why I really don't need that strength. And I think I don't need the... I really don't need that gunner perk. What gunner is good for is that it decreases your recoil. But then again, my recoil also decreases depending on my strength. So with power armor in mind, you really don't need it.
Hey.
You have the same armor, right? I know, this sign is just for Brotherhood of Steel, it's not for Lion's Pride. It's on my shoulder. No, I think this is for Lion's Pride, right? And yeah, she has something different.
Good to see you.
Yeah, she has this Brotherhood of Steel sign. See, mine is a lion. Bitch, you're inferior to me. She's not aware of that.
Welcome.
So this sentry bot I can't kill. He has 30mm armor thickness. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed to Evergreen Mills. And I know that place is somewhere here. I know there are like, it's like a mine. Maybe I can even locate it from here. I hear from some folks that there is a raider camp called Evergreen Mills. That's how I know. Told me not to go there at any cost, but it sounds just like a place for me to go.